create this little, I want it to be like a pretty complete Godot tutorial because I don't feel like there's one that's really good out there. I don't know if mine will be really good, but at least it'll be out there. And it's just going to show pretty much every key feature of Godot, so you can make any game you want to your heart's desire. And I want to make sure that I hit every main topic of Godot, so I'm actually using a reference book. It's called Sam's Teach Yourself Godot Engine Game Development in 24 Hours, the official guide to Godot 3.0. You can find it on Amazon. Be sure to either find it online, buy it, check it out. Get this book. It's very helpful. I highly recommend it, and it's going to fill in any of the gaps I miss in my information and also give you a better understanding of Godot. So yeah, I highly recommend it. With that said, I want these videos to be short, so let's just jump into it. So first thing, let's open up Godot, and it doesn't take a long time to open up Godot because it's a very lightweight application. Here you're going to see a list of projects you have. So I just created like 4 dummy projects to just kind of show you like how the list works. If you select any of these, as you can see, this one was up first because it was selected to be a favorite. So any when you want a project to be set first, set it as your favorite, because you might end up with a lot of projects and have different pages, so you want to get to it fast. You can use templates to get started with your projects. There's a lot of them all supplied through GodotEngine.org. So to get started with whatever type of game you want to build, or you can just create a blank project. If you select a project, you have these options to edit it, which basically just opens it. You can run the game inside the project, which is pretty nifty. You can also scan a folder on your computer to find all the projects in that folder, and it'll load them all in this project manager. Create a new project, import a project, rename it, or remove it. So that's so let's just go ahead and create a new project. And so we can call this one 5. And then we can also create a folder in this path, and it creates a new empty folder with that project. It's a .godot file. Well, something that's pretty nifty and a little different from Unity is all of your files are contained inside that file, that .godot file. So your project is actually as big as that file. Unity, you kind of have a folder with all the assets, so it can become difficult to figure out, how big your project actually is. But with Godot, it's all in that .godot file. You can choose what renderer you want, and you can change this later. It's very easy, but basically OpenGL 2.0, it's recommended for web games. I also believe it's recommended for older hardware, like older Android versions and stuff, but let's just go ahead and stick with 3.0 for now. We can create and edit.